Hey, this is Janetta, and I just stopped by to tell you that tomorrow on Sunday, and probably next Sunday too, we're going to have a show. I'm going to be on live, but it's for you to talk to me and me to talk to you about some of the things that are happening right now, current events. One real big thing we need to talk about is the Somalia situation and how people who are American, African American, feel about other Africans, Somalis, Nigerians, and whatever. And the fact that the question of who's black, to get an understanding of that, we're going to discuss that. And I want you to come on in with me. I don't say that I'm exactly right, but I have a good idea. And I want you to say something about it because we need to work together. We need to find something that we can put aside all the things and dislikes about each other, put them aside and work together because we have one common enemy that is trying to destroy us as a people, our culture, and take away our minerals, our gold, our diamonds. So we're going to talk about that. So can you join me Sunday at about, I think it'll be about 8 o'clock Sunday evening in the United States and at various different times here in Africa, like in Tanzania and Kenya. It will probably be around about, I would say maybe about 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock, about 2 o'clock, maybe 1 o'clock in the afternoon. You will have to check it. All right. And in Nigeria, it will be a little bit later because I think Nigeria is about 3 hours behind Tanzania and Kenya. So let's talk. Okay. All right. See you Sunday. Oh, today, December 28th. Yeah, December 28th. Sunday, December 28th at 8 p.m. in Kenya and Tanzania. And I don't know, you have to check the time and your location. Okay, join me. I need the conversation. Ooh, yeah. Hey, this is Janetta, and you're watching Africa Speak. Ooh.